Welcome to AI Baba's Cosmic Forecast for September 10th, 2025. Today, the universe is full of secrets waiting to be revealed. Whether you're seeking guidance for your Rashi, insights into history, or cosmic clarity for the day ahead, stay tuned. The next few minutes may change how you see your day. The Sun aligns powerfully with Mercury today, amplifying communication, business opportunities, and intellectual growth. However, a square between Mars and Saturn creates tension, so be patient, avoid impulsive decisions, and focus on strategy. Cosmic tip: today favors reflection, calm planning, and meditation over quick moves. Moon is in Rohini Nakshatra, symbolizing beauty, creativity, and abundance. Perfect for planning finances and personal projects. On this day in 1894, First Sino-Japanese war battles intensified, reshaping Asia's geopolitical future. In 1960, Malawi joined the UN, a step toward African empowerment, and in 2008, CERN fired up the Large Hadron Collider, opening a new era in science. History shows us that September 10th is a day of bold breakthroughs and game-changing events. India celebrates Dr. Verghese Kurian's birthday today, the father of the White Revolution, who made India the world's largest milk producer. Also born, Shri Tarun Gogoi, Assam's longest-serving chief minister, known for stabilizing the state's economy and peace. This is also a day to honor Maharaja Ranjit Singh's lineage, as his descendants solidified Punjab's strength and global influence. Warrior spirit energy is strong today, perfect for training, sports, or standing up for your beliefs. Taurus, Vrishabha. Creative power is at its peak. Use this day to innovate. Virgo, Kanya. Financial rewards are within reach. Sign deals but review details. Aquarius, Kumbha. Networking power is strong today. Unexpected alliances await. Leo, Simha. Don't rush. Health may need attention. Scorpio, Vrishchik. Avoid conflicts. Focus on self-growth. Capricorn, Makar. Money decisions require patience. Avoid overspending. India faces a mix of heavy monsoon rain in southern and northeastern states, while the northwest enjoys a dry spell. Delhi NCR, warm and dry at 36 degrees Celsius. Mumbai, heavy showers, stay prepared. Assam and Nagaland, flood warnings persist. This is a perfect day for indoor planning and quiet reflection for many regions. Did you know? Today is World Suicide Prevention Day, reminding us that mental health is as important as physical well-being. Spread kindness and reach out to someone who needs it. The gods whisper, pause and reflect. Wisdom comes when the mind is still. Today is about patience, healing, and finding opportunities in calmness. Meditate on green energy. It's your power color of the day. That's your AI Baba forecast for September 10th, 2025. Stay aligned with the stars, take mindful action, and let destiny guide you. Like, subscribe, and share this video so others can harness today's cosmic power. See you tomorrow with another cosmic revelation.